smell the sun and feel the breeze, but in my heart.
Well, we've decided that we're going to make a beeline for...
Remich.
No.
Oh, I can't say it. You say it.
I can't say it. Well, he can't.
Liechtenstein.
Liechtenstein. Liechtenstein.
Yeah.
About
It's not far.
Well, it's about 7 hours, so we'll take a day or two to make that journey. But we thought, why the hell not?
We're down this way.
We're down
might
this
as well.
way, so we'll cross over into Germany, travel through the south of Germany, and then over into Liechtenstein
Yeah.
in the next couple of days. But we've stopped here at a place called Remich, and this viewpoint is amazing over all the grapevines.
Yeah, look at that. Wow.
Look at that. That is one hell of a view. So we're going into Remich because we need to pick something up for family, and then we'll be leaving Luxembourg, which has been absolutely fantastic.
It's been amazing.
Over the last 4 days or so.
Yeah.
Great park ups, and yeah, make a beeline for Liechtenstein.
Yeah, see what that's got to offer.
Yep.
This trip's going amazing.
I know. None of it was
back up.
planned, really,
No.
was it?
Back up November, and then December to Gdansk.
Yeah.
Can't wait. I'm
I
really
know.
excited for that one.
Yeah, that's going to be good for the Christmas markets and
Yeah.
that. But yeah, these views are just absolutely amazing, aren't they?
Yeah.
Shame it's not a clear day. Wow, here we are in Remich.
Yeah. Bottom of Luxembourg, so we drove right from the top to the bottom.
Yeah. And Remich is a small town or commune with city status.
Come in.
And it sits on the banks of the river Mosel, which forms part of the border between Luxembourg and Germany.
Yeah.
And we'll show you the Mosel shortly, but it's just over to our right.
Yeah, I know. How cool.
Mad to think that's Germany just across there.
No.
And this is the
Crazy.
Mosel River.
Yeah.
See, unplanned trips are the best trips
Aren't they?
because you never know where you're going to end up.
No.
Amazing. And here we have the male representation of Anna.
That's so cool.
In terms of the bottle of beer in the barrel.
Got his belly. Oh no, not a six pack.
This would be an option for us one day.
Be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
Quite small,
a
man.
little boat trip down the Mosel.
Yeah.
Anna's gone in the cake shop. Let's see if she can use her best French. Probably won't get picked up on this. See what she surprises me with. This didn't take long to choose, like, so
nice. Thank you.
it'd be funny to hear this conversation. Those cakes look good though, don't they?
Oh, thank you. Have a good day. Bye. That looks so good.
What did you
there.
get?
Oh my goodness.
Let's see what you got.
I'll surprise you. You see,
Is that one of them men?
yes. A sugar one.
A sugar man.
Sugar man. I didn't know, there was loads. There was so much.
I know, I thought you would have gone for one of the posh cakes there with all the cream and stuff
Oh,
on.
I know, but it was just like, I saw
well, that'll
these,
do.
I thought, oh, they look so, oh, sorry, Isla, they look so nice.
Nice.
Yeah, did you want to go and choose something?
No. Oh, did you
Why?
only get one?
No, I got two.
Well, that's all right then. Right, come on then.
Right, okay.
Be rude not to walk into Germany, wouldn't it?
One step just, yes. Yeah, so let's do it.
Luxembourg to Germany. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Yay, we made it.
Made it to Germany.
Woohoo! I'm in Germany. Get back into Luxembourg,
And then
Anna.
there's Luxembourg, that side.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Anna, get back into Luxembourg. Stay there. Isla's
we're
in Germany.
We're in different lands.
So I'm literally in no man's land now, aren't I? Because I'm on
Right.
that line,
Let's get
that
a
border
selfie.
line. Oh, this is fantastic. Yeah, it looks like a lovely little campsite there, just literally across the border in Germany. Anyway, we're in Germany looking into Luxembourg.
That's crazy, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? It's fascinating,
Yeah.
really, when you think about it. And then I'm in Luxembourg. And Anna's still in Germany.
1 minute. Right.
Oh, there you go, Remich. That was a quick walk around, but I bet this place is absolutely thriving in the summertime.
Absolutely, you can see it, can't you?
Yeah, so I think we'll put this on the hit list to come back
Oh, most definitely.
and see what's happening around here in the summer and
Yeah,
pay a visit.
definitely.
But
Yeah,
for
this
now,
is-
we're going to carry on, aren't we,
yes.
to, well, towards
Back to-
Liechtenstein.
back to Germany somewhere.
We've already been to Germany today. Been to Germany
let's
and then
pop
back to
again.
Luxembourg
Let's go there again.
in one day.
Yeah. And there's Twingle.
Yeah. And she is parked down on the road there.
Continue straight onto Viaduct Schengen.
Second visit to Germany today.
It is, isn't it?
Bundesrepublik Deutschland. And too few shits to give.
Morning.
Morning. And welcome to Germany.
I know.
Obviously
Hello.
we're heading to Liechtenstein as we told you yesterday.
Yes.
We've made a stop here in Saarlouis in this purpose-made motorhome area.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is nice. There's no
Yeah.
services at all.
No? There's
Um,
bins.
There's bins, that's it.
Yeah.
But it's about 10-15 minutes walk into the centre,
Yeah.
which we're heading to now. But yeah, it's an ideal little stop.
It is, isn't it? It's
I'll
nice.
drop the location into the video for you.
The road's there, but it was quiet last night, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's a few lorries in the car park to the left,
Yeah.
which we heard pulling in last night and barking
Yeah.
up. But other than that, it's a good one.
Yeah, it is. There you go.
That's it. Very basic. No services, as I said, but
Wow.
free.
Yeah.
Right, let's see if we can find our way into the
Maybe that way.
centre.
I think it's that way.
I think if you're looking for something a bit more, you know, with services and stuff, there is this camping place here as well.
Yeah. Sounds saucy.
Got no information about it, so
No. We'll have a look.
we'll have a look, but it's close to the centre as well.
Yeah.
So this morning, whilst we make our way into the city, we're actually going to check out a couple of points of interest. And the first one's a memorial to some to a pioneer battalion from the German army. I'm not sure what the second one is until we get there.
No,
There's also another point on the map that Anna's marked that she wants to see. So we're going to check all those out, and then, as I said, we'll head into the city. It's looking a bit green and stagnant, isn't it?
Just. Oh.
I think this is a fort, Anna.
Oh.
I'm sure it
okay.
is. So let's get inside,
Yes. Oh,
and
yeah,
then
look.
we'll have a look at the information. I'll tell you what though, autumn's definitely here, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah.
Look at these trees now, look.
Oh,
Look at the colours.
leaves everywhere. I just love it.
Yeah, and
I
you
love
can feel
autumn.
the temperature drop. Mind, we are a bit further south.
Yeah.
Look at that view down there, look.
Oh, look at the fountain.
Yeah. So this is my drone shot, because I didn't bring the drone, but this is a representation of this castle. So we really just struggled a little bit there with our German, didn't we?
We did try, didn't we?
try,
But the
bless
lady
them.
she said in German, and I understood a little bit, that she didn't learn English at school. So, yeah, but that's fine,
we
isn't it? We tried.
We
And she
managed.
laughed and we laughed, didn't we? Yeah.
I think laughter's the same in every language, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Just been in Deutsche Post there to post a couple of cards back to the UK, and just found out that they don't take Visa card and don't take MasterCard either, so I tried 3 different cards. Eventually I had to get cash out from the machine, but the lady was really, really helpful. And again, we struggled with a bit of English and a bit of German, but we got there in the end.
Yeah.
So there's some cards in the post making their way back to England.
And it was really cheap.
yeah,
Wasn't it?
€2.20.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Might send more.
And somebody's just got a parking ticket. Ouch, that's gonna hurt.
Oh, yeah. Well, they should be parked there, should they? Hello. Hello.
Like Hannah's just said, it's a shame we're a little bit early, but just setting up for the Christmas market here in St. Louis. In the market square, it does. Looks like it's going to be really nice. Right, so here's something we've not had for many years. Currywurst chips. Tried our best German again to order it. It turns out the lady or the girl's from Kentucky in America. So she spoke English anyway.
Really good.
But look at this.
Got to enjoy this.
Mm,
Yeah, nice. A spread roll.
Right, I'm going to enjoy. Was that as good as you remember?
That was nice.
It was
so
lovely, wasn't
nice.
it? Really
Yeah.
nice. Didn't touch the sides.
Oh,
Right, last little bit to see, and then we're going to head back to the van, and then
yes.
hopefully
Go and find another little
get up
place.
to that
Oh yeah.
the Saar
about that.
polygram, if we can.
Maybe it's closed today.
You can sit in the van, and I'll go up.
Right.
Have a knack of finding
Oh,
great little places. Oh, look at this.
do you know?
To be
not at all.
perfectly honest, it's probably somewhere I've never really even heard of. We're in Mersburg, I think it's called.